All right, are we live? Should be live. Test 1 2. Looks like we're live. All right, let me set up my levels real quick and then we're good to go. So let me refresh it one more time. Alrighty, we're good to go. Hey Juna, how is it going? Good to see you back, buddy. You already short. Oh, okay. I see. Already short. Look at him. On your funded account, or is this just evil? Only one mini. I mean, one mini, or you mean one micro? Okay, we have a minute to go. Let me start the recording. On the funded account. Hopefully one micro, right? You mean one micro, not one mini. Okay, I mean, let's see if we get a good setup here. Oh, one mini. All right. How much drawdown do you have? Okay, we are ready. Only funded? Okay. So you're up 600. Not bad. Good job. Getting closer. Oh no, you're up 1100. Okay, so you're 400 away from a payout. Damn, you're killing it. Payout plus live account. That's the most important part. Plus the live account. Okay, we get a lot of movement here. Probably the most interesting one is the ES right now for me. Just need a good close. If we close above the level here, I will definitely take it. Okay, no, not closing above, so can't take it. Damn, you still short? Hopefully not. Hopefully you out. Okay. Oh, you already exited. Okay, good. Yeah, I would hate to see you being long here. Being short there. All right. Nothing really that I can take so far. Hey, Yash, how's it going? I mean, we had a setup on the open, I think like the last weeks. So how's the audio, guys? Is everything good? Hope there's no echo or anything. Tomorrow will be good. What's tomorrow? For email? Oh, it's CPI or something. Still nothing for me. Currently looking at the YM here. We need to close above the level. Okay, we're not gonna close. Definitely going higher. Can always take it on the 2-minute, so I'm gonna wait for the 2-minute to close. Yep, everything is pushing right now. Alright, yes, going higher. Nasdaq is pushing, YM is pushing, RTY is pushing, everything is pushing. Now we just gotta figure out where are we gonna take it on. Sean, good morning. Good morning. How was your trade yesterday? Did it work out? I had to go to work, so I couldn't keep watching. All right. Well, again, not a close above the level here. Might be the first day in in weeks now that we don't get a setup on the open. Oh, you cut it earlier? Okay. What was it, one contract or two? Still no setup here for me. Two, nice. How many points did you catch? All right, I'm in on RTY. Let's see if we get our little scalp here. Not really a fan of holding the shorts longer here. Definitely an uptrend still. But we broke the previous level. Let's see if we get this little spike down. Still holding at the entry here. We just need 1.7 points, so not too much to ask for. Okay, that's a good reaction into profit. Couple ticks away here. See if we can get there. Pretty volatile today. Okay, gonna move my stop a little bit closer. Still right at our entry. Candle didn't close that good. We're just gonna hold it. Okay, another push lower. One tick away here. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Missed this by a tick. Again, one tick away. All right, I'm gonna take it off now. Don't want to mess with it if it doesn't go lower, so might drop now, but I just don't have the patience for it. But yeah, we took a little trade. I mean, it wasn't the best setup today. I definitely looked for longs, but it is what it is. We got our day in. Trump speaks today at 11. 11 Eastern or European time? What is it? All right, I mean, it's 140 bucks. It isn't the world, but we're definitely making some progress. Definitely making some progress. Just hated that we got missed there by a tick. Is the stream lagging or something? Should be good, right? Oh, 11 p.m. Okay. But yeah, we're getting closer to the 2600 drawdown threshold. It's looking good. How much are we off? 350. All right. Yeah, I think we're gonna cut it here for the Bull Nux account, and I might switch over to Quant Tower so we can trade my Phidias account. I activated one more funded account today, so we can work on that. Still looking at the darn it. Still looking at the ES. I mean, who knows? Maybe we get another setup. Gonna wait for a 2-minute to close. Maybe we'll take another setup. But yeah, if you get 60 points, Sean, that's good. On 2 contracts, it's not too bad. How much is that? 240, right? $240. All right, ES is pushing. We might get another entry here on the 2-minute chart. Needs to be a good close. Nope, pulling back. $110 away from a payout. Man, you're crushing it. Take your time. Don't do it like me. Whenever I got so close to the payout lately, I always blew the account. So take your time. Yeah. All right, no, we're gonna call it on the Bullnox account. I mean, we made our money. It's a little money, but it definitely helps. So we're gonna shut this and we're gonna go over to Quant Tower. First payout. That's the way to go. You're getting there. You will get there. Don't stress. Like I said, just take the time that you need. Trust me. Don't mess it up. Okay, let me try to set that up for the stream. Okay, cash account. Okay, let me do this real quick so people can see it in the short stream. Someone's over there. You know. Okay, do it like this. All right, should be good. Okay, let me just set up the levels real quick and then I'm gonna be ready. I mean, should I take the 15-minute range on my Phidias account? I'm not sure. I mean, we could. All right, let me reset that. Right. Juno, you're gonna take the 15-minute range? You're gonna take the breakout? Crazy pullback here. You will take? Okay. Me as well. Also gonna take it. And one more good trade, huh? And you're there. Payout plus live account. That sounds good. Just 110. That's what I mean. Don't stress it. There's no time limit on it, you know? You can take as many days as you need. Don't stress it. Damn, crazy pullback here. And looks like we're gonna get a short trade actually. All right, the range is set, so we just gotta wait. Just checking some stocks real quick. You're getting tense. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Just keep breathing. Don't force yourself. You don't have to do it today. No, if you do it at the end of the week, no one. It doesn't matter. No one is forcing you that you do it today. All right. Okay, now I have time to look at the chart again. But yeah, fresh funded account. So we start with 500 drawdown. Definitely need some good trades at the beginning to build up the drawdown. I mean, last time I was really close. I was also like 120, 130 away, and then I blew up the whole account. Your brain is forcing you? Is that what you're trying to say? I just wait for a good setup. Just wait for it. No point in rushing it. You're gonna take it long. Oh, we will see. Okay. The stream is not lagging, guys, right? Everything is smooth. There's no lags or anything. Let's check the FPS. All right, that looks good. Nothing? Okay, perfect. All right, range is like 60 points today, so it's not the biggest range. Not the biggest. I definitely have to set up my quant tower a little bit better, that I also have the 15-minute chart open. Right now I only look at the 1 minute. It's, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of it. All right. Might get along here. But yeah, first trade off on the new account, so I really hope it's just gonna work out smooth. 500 drawdown is not a lot to work with. Start with one micro. I don't know. I don't know. One micro, I mean, come on. Even if we get 20 points, it's like a 40 bucks. I don't know if it's worth it. 2 is the sweet spot, but we're gonna use a stop. Hopefully. We have to use a stop. If I want or not, I have to do it. No more messing around. No more messing around. Is the stream lagging? Is it? Juno, is the stream lagging for you? I mean, I don't lose any frames or have Wi-Fi issues. No? Huh. Maybe it's on your end, Josh. Try to restart it. Try to reload. Try to reload. Maybe that fixed it. Hope it's not lagging, but it should be good. You long? Even before the range is broken? Well, I mean, it looks like we're gonna get along. Okay, looks like we're gonna break it any second. Okay, if that closes, we're gonna take it. Okay, we're in. Oh, I forgot to set up. Oh shoot. Okay, this should be 1-to-1. What's the account status? It's a fresh account. Fresh account. Why stop? I mean, we have to use a stop, man. I can't keep blowing accounts. Let's see. Looks like we're pulling back. Might get stopped here. Yep, I'm out. Get stopped. Wait, why is there 2 orders pending? By watching you, I removed stop. Why did you remove the stop? Always keep it on. Don't remove the stop. That's a bad idea, trust me. All right. Yeah, that's what we don't want to happen. The first trade is a loss. That always not so good. But had to take it. Had to take it. Well, I'm glad I got stopped out there. Did you know you still in or you didn't take it? You're long without a stop. Oh no, no, no. Why did you take off the stop? Can't do that. Can't do that. Well, you can still cut it. You can still just cut it. Yeah, it's okay. Focus up. I mean, you can still save it. You can still cut the trade. Did you get out or are you still in? Gotta be careful. Still, you're crazy. You are crazy. Well, I'm gonna wait for another entry. Today is the day. I'm not gonna blow up this account. Just check my work. I have a feeling I will blow. Well, don't do that. Just be careful. Be careful. I mean, who knows? Maybe you get lucky. You never know. Yeah, a lot of chop right now. Not really going anywhere. I need your suggestion. What is it? What is it about? Try to help you. Being lucky in my life. You don't know. I mean, what about you just take it off, break even if we get there? Or maybe you take it off with a little loss. Trust me, if you blow this account, you're gonna be super mad. It's not gonna be worth it. You're speaking to the expert here, the account blowing expert. You know, I feel you can't take it out. Yeah, I know. But it's even worse if you blow the account. And then if you blow the account, you're gonna look back and you're gonna say, oh, if I just took it off there for a loss. But you have to do what you gotta do. It's just how I see it. Yeah, watch this. This is gonna go higher now, and I'm gonna be mad that I took my stop here. I trade doing. I get 2 profitable trades this week. Well, I mean, me personally, I would just take the setups. Just keep taking your setups. But I mean, you could also just cut it already and call it a green week. But I personally would take the other setups. Because if you think about it, what would you do if you have losses? Would you stop if you have like 2 red days? Would you stop or would you keep trading? Pretty sure you would keep trading. So this is just my opinion. I would keep trading. Just take your setups, wait for good setups, and take it. I mean, if you're worried, you can always use a tighter stop or just put your stop break even earlier. But I can't give you financial advice. You have to figure it out yourself, unfortunately. All right, Junan, we're getting closer to your entry. By the way, how did you make that much? Like the last time we talked about, you were up like just a couple bucks. Yeah, well, just watch my previous video. Well, he watched it. I know he watched it. You got 9 setups today. Jesus. Since when are you trading today? When did you sit down? Jesus. From 2 a.m. Are you insane? Did you sleep at all or nothing? You're crazy. 2 a.m. Also, the market moves super slow at these hours, doesn't it? I mean, I tried it once and I was not a fan of it. It was super boring. You're crazy since 2 a.m. You are wild. Today momentum is good. Alright. I mean, right now we're just chopping around, huh? Yeah, we only have some. I mean, if you trade 3 to 1, even if you have a negative win rate, you will still make it, right? You should be still positive. I think you would break even. You would be break even if you have like a win rate of 33%. If you always take 1 to 3 trades. All right, looks like we're gonna see a move soon, Juna. Hopefully it's a upside move. Hopefully we're gonna see a long for you. Upside needed, yeah. Oh, I would also take a couple more setups. And we're holding. I mean, we're definitely uptrending. If you look at the 15-minute chart, it doesn't look too bad. Stop. Low, higher low, higher low. Just gotta break this range one more time. Doesn't look too bad. $190 for pass. Oh, you mean to get to a payout or on another eval? I mean, I still have 2 more evals that are basically passed on Phidias. Then I have 3 Apex evals that are ready. Just gotta pay the fee. I have 1 more Bolonux account that is ready. So I still have a couple accounts lined up. Just want to build it slowly again. To pay out. Okay. Yeah, but Juna, you just be careful. Watch out. Don't risk it all. Trust me. Not worth it. It is not worth it. Yeah, right now, nothing that I can really take. I mean, we're just waiting for some sort of breakout. We're up on the Bolnox account. That is important. Yeah, this sounds good. But like I said, you have to make your own decision. That's how I would do it, you know? Because just in case you watch the charts later on this week and you notice that actually you had more setups this week, but just because you called it early, you didn't take them, this would probably affect you a little bit. I mean, at least for me. I know sometimes when there's like, I don't know, I have technical issues, like my Wi-Fi doesn't work, and then I go and look at the chart and that's like the perfect setup, I always get really pissed. But yeah, maybe just reduce your risk. Maybe that helps. Or just put the stop break even a little bit earlier. I don't know. So you don't give it back, the money that you made this week. But you could still make some progress. But if you get to like a 50% win rate with a 1 to 3 risk reward, it's gonna look good. No, it's their risk. They set you up with $500. Like it's $500 of their money. Because you make 1,500 in profit, you get paid out 1,000, and then of course you have to pay the fees, the commissions, the cut. And the other 500 that you made goes into the live account. But you don't have to pay them at all. Just make sure you have your documents ready, everything, and you did your KYC. So you're good to go. I just got the email. Let me zoom in. It's 90% off for swing accounts, 60% on fundamental accounts, account resets. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, unfortunately, no sale on the 25k account. So if you want to trade with Phidias, I always recommend the 25k option. In my opinion, that's the best one there. So well, but it's just part of it, you know. I mean, it could also be the other way around. Now you trade the rest of the day, and actually everything works out, and you're up big time. All right, Juna, you're gonna cut it break even. You let it run. What's the game plan? What is the plan? A win? You're gonna go for a win? Okay. Oh no, this doesn't sound good. That doesn't look good. Keep in view. Let's do this. All right. Well, I'm gonna join you one more time if we get a breakout. I'm gonna hop on one more time. You got excited or you exited? Just needs to break. Oh, you exited? Okay. I mean, not too bad. What do you lose? 21 points? That's all right. It's definitely easy to recover. Yeah, yes, appreciate you. Good luck for the rest of the week, and yeah, I see you tomorrow. And good job on being green this week. All right, we will take it one more time. 21 from payout. Wait, you took it off in profit? How did this work? I thought your entry was here. You added in the middle, of course. The DCA champion. All right, okay, not bad. So you're 21. You're 21 points away or USD? $21. Okay. That's what is it on 2 contracts? I think it's 5 points, right? Yeah. I'm excited for you. Good job. You're crushing it. Just gotta nail it at the last trade. The last trade. And you got this. Take it down. First time earning some simulated money. Well, once you take out the payout, it's gonna turn into real money. That's the beauty of it. It's all just numbers on the screen until you actually take it out. But it's good. It pays for all the other accounts. Alright, still waiting for the breakout here. Might get another setup. You gonna take the 15-minute breakout? Yeah, I'm waiting for it. That's what I'm waiting for. I hope it works. Hope we will get there. Boring day for you. Well, yeah, you didn't have a setup yet, right? The 5-minute didn't close above, so I mean, I took it on the 1 minute here, but got stopped. It's arranging. Yeah. Well, but you know, if it's arranging, it gotta break out at one point, huh? That's what we're waiting for. It will break out at one point. Hopefully. Marked. Look, Mo. Yeah, I'm in a different place. I have some big ass window now. How can I show you? All right. Let me try to show you. Let's hope it works. Look. Well, wait. Look, there's a big ass windows, and I fucked up the blinds. I don't know what's going on there. But this thing is huge. It's a huge window. And I got my washing machine. washing machine stream. Can you throw a brick through it? I think my Airbnb host wouldn't like that. I don't know. I will think about it. Okay, let me set this up again. Oh, I messed it up. Yeah, I don't know if I should do this more. I think they wouldn't appreciate that. Look, guys, one day if it doesn't work anymore with streaming my trading and everything, we're just gonna do like cooking streams. We're just gonna be in the kitchen and cook. I'm ready. I am ready. Jeez, this camera. All right, are we gonna get another breakout here? Yeah, it's way better. It's way better. Made a big mistake with the last one. They tricked me. They tricked me. They put some good pictures at the front and they got me. I fell for it. But it's also hard to find a place with 3 rooms because my fiance was with me and she works from home and I have clients as well. So we both need a separate room plus a bedroom. So it's hard to find a place with 2 separate rooms or like a living room extra. But now she's back in Florida. So this is only bedroom, kitchen, living room, bathroom. Pretty much it. It's a little bit smaller. Everything will fall. Well, I just hope it's gonna do something at one point. It's pretty boring right now. I don't know. Oh, you would. Oh, you're talking about the BNB. Yeah, I think a lot of people do. And it was also someone else's apartment. Like someone actually lives there. So when we arrived, the guy was still packing up his things, which is pretty weird. Usually when we went to Airbnbs, I mean, we went to so many Airbnbs, we never had this before. It's always just a place that they rent out usually. You know, no one actually lives there. Yeah, I can't wait to be back in Florida and actually live in a house. I'm tired of moving every couple of weeks and different places. Just the only thing that's not that good, that this chair is not as comfy as the other one. It's, I don't know, my butt starts to hurt. All right, market, are we gonna break out? Are we gonna do it? And because it's a pretty open space where I'm sitting, there's some echo for me. So I hope you don't hear that on stream. Wooden chair without no wooden chair. Well, this has at least some. Look, this has at least some cushion on it, but it's still pretty rough. But yeah, before that, when we were in England, I was sitting on a wooden chair as well. And it was killing my back. I couldn't believe it. Classroom chairs. Jesus. I mean, there's some other chairs, but yeah, like for the dining table, they don't look as comfy. All right, market, are we gonna break out? I mean, we're all waiting for it. All right, this was day 6 on the Bolnox account. So hopefully in 4 days, we're gonna be able to take out some money there. Hopefully. It's time. I need to take some money out. Yeah, but on Fidias, they don't care. You can withdraw it in 1 day. That's why I say you can do 1 day eval, 1 day to the payout, and then you like in 2 days at the payout plus a live account. Pretty good. But yeah, the next payout I get, I will definitely use some money and put it onto my own personal account. I think it's a good time to build the personal account again. Even if we're gonna trade smaller, I just want to be able to no rules, just do what I want to do. How much can we withdraw? The minimum is 500, but you can withdraw every day. Every day. But I mean, you could wait, because if you get more 25Ks to a payout, they will always add 500 to your balance. So technically you can get a live account with 2,500 to start with. And then of course, if you have 2,500 to trade with, it's way easier to make 500 in a day. So whenever you have a fresh cash account, like a fresh funded account that gets to a payout, they will add 500 to your balance. And maximum is 2,500. And it's definitely a lot easier to get to 500. I mean, maybe even every second day you can take out money. Even if it's just once a week, it's still good. Feels so good to hear. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do. Even if you just take it out once a week. I mean, they take their, I think it's 10% or 20% as a cut, but it's still okay. This market, I don't know what we're doing here. Yeah, that's what I was working for. If I get 2,500 to work with, my God, this is going to be daily payouts. That's what I did when I traded my own money. I was able to take out money every day until I had a big losing streak. It's crazy with trading. You can make so much money. Oh jeez, sorry. You can make so much money, especially if you have like another job, like a real job, like that you work in, and trading is just on the side. It's so, I mean, not easy, but you know what I mean. It's crazy how much you can stack up the money with it. This market is gonna make me fall asleep. What's going on? I get addicted to watching a chart. Well, you have to give yourself limits. You're not gonna trade well if you sit in front of it the whole day. Start scalping. During the moment I start scalping, I'm gonna get caught onto the wrong side. It's easy to make 1,500 on the eval account, but on the live account or funded account, it's a different story. I'm just gonna be patient and wait. Watch the daily chart. 1 day. That's interesting. A lot of wicks. Just need 20 more. Okay, I see. Just don't rush it. You will get there. All right, might get a breakout finally. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta go in like 1 hour. Oh, no breakout. Until you hit the break through the window. I don't know, Mo. I don't even have a brick here. Maybe on the last day I will do it. You're full of excuses. You know this lady, the host, she lives downstairs, so she's definitely gonna notice that. It's not like I can do it and just run away and blame it on someone else. I don't know. Oh, you're still long. Since when are you long? It's like already like a week ago, right? Or 2 weeks? Like 1.5 months? What was your initial entry? I mean, it's around 1800. Jeez. Do you have a target or I mean, isn't the contract gonna expire soon? End of this month? Are you gonna hold it until it expires or you just straight all right. Good job, man. You're killing it. You're killing it. Yeah. Almost up 4,000 points. Oh, it will force like automatically. It like kicks you out of the trade. Yeah, Druna, don't ask it. He's not gonna tell you. I mean, this is a real money. It's not sim money like we do it. Broker will if I don't. Okay. Oh, he's up a lot. You can you can do the maths. Just do the maths on 1 micro, Druna. Camera's not focusing. What about now? No, he's not trading prop firm. He's trading his own money. Yeah, Mo is different. Uncle Mo, he's killing it. How did you get into it? Like what is? Do you have like a setup that you follow, or is it just like I don't know, you're following your heart? What is your trading plan? I don't mean you. Well, that doesn't sound good, Trina. I told you were killing it with real money as well. I told you maybe you shouldn't switch. The prop firms are for people who are not able to make good money in real accounts and then just take advantage of like cheap prices and getting the payouts. Yeah, without prop firms, I don't think I would be profitable at all. I think I would be lucky if I'm break even. All right, nice, nice, nice. Yeah, everyone has their same idea, like their own idea. Like even if someone tries to copy you or copy me, it will always look different for another person. You know, like for person A, it might be an entry following the rules. For person B, it might be not an entry. So that's why you can never really copy someone's strategy. That's true. You can make it. You know, All Brooks, I heard about him, but I never watched a video about him or something. Best traders have their own unique twist. That's right. But man, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. It's always nice to see someone who makes some good money with it. He's a tape reader. The only trading book that I ever read was Trading in the Zone from, I don't even know the name. What's his name? Oh, Mark Douglas. That's his name. Yeah, that was pretty interesting. But I think the most you can learn is just by watching the charts and how the market moves. I think most of it is just screen time for me personally. I also published one. Oh, okay. Well, Mo, you might be correct. I have to throw a brick. It's not breaking out. Yeah, Mo, if you don't mind me asking, do you do something else? Like you have like a 9 to 5 job that you work in or part-time, or you just do trading right now? This market, oh my god. Ugh. Makes me sleepy. On a business, well, the training's better. Well, but that's definitely a good point for you. Like you never have pressure that you have to make money with trading. I remember last year when I had a couple good months in a row, I thought, okay, this might be time now just to focus on trading. But once I stopped seeing my clients in my business and I was just relying on my trading money, this is where it all started to go downhill. Then you have so much pressure. Like at one point, I mean, of course I had savings, but at one point you just have to make money, you know? And then you have to force yourself to take trades that are not really good setups, and then yeah, you're just blowing it up. Yeah, if you need to make money, it doesn't work. Because I had my best months where my other work was going super good as well. You know, I had a lot of clients. I was always booked out with everything. And I made good money with my real job. And then just trading, maybe like 30 minutes, an hour a day, just the open and calling it a day. And I take my setups. It either works or it doesn't. But I just walk away afterwards, you know? And it's so easy. If you, I don't know, have this financial support from like another source, for me, this was so good. So I will, I will never try it again. Never in my life I will try to only make money from trading. Crazy amount of pressure. I think you need like years of savings, maybe a full year of savings. I don't know if it would even help then. Most successful people have multiple income. Yeah, that's right. I mean, here, I don't know how it is in Canada, but in Germany, if you make like 10,000, even if it's just USD, if you make 10,000 in USD, you're like one of the successful people in Germany, like definitely like way above average. So this is just like, I don't know, like 5 businesses, or let's say you have 3 businesses where you make like 3,000 each. It's not too much with one individual business, but it adds up. Oh, no. Germany is not what you think. It changed a lot. Everything changed a lot. And we have super high taxes. Taxes are super high here. I mean, let's look it up. I'm not even sure what the average is. What is it in Canada? Oh yeah, look. Yeah, after taxes you make like 2,600. This is the average. And then you have to pay rent. Depends on where you live. Rent can be up like to 1,000, 1,200. Maybe if you have a bigger family, you need bigger apartment or bigger house. Car insurance, food, expenses like gym, etc. Going out. Like, it's not a lot. I always remember Germany being top notch and everything. Well, the glory days are over. The glory days are over. Is it because of Islam? I don't want to speak politics on the stream. Well, I don't think it has something to do with the religion. It's just the way the tax money gets spent is wrong, in my opinion. Like, they're spending tax money on wrong things. You know, like the generation of my grandparents, like my grandpa, they built up the cities after the war. They worked their whole lives. He worked since he was 15. And then once he retired, he received like, I don't know, like 700 euros, 800 euros government help monthly. So I don't know if this is fair to the people who built the country after the war. It's like the generation that brought up Germany to the top again. You know, all these the industries, etc. They built up the whole country from scratch. Everything was destroyed. And then these people receive like almost nothing in government help. I don't know. But this is just my opinion. Well, we get close to a breakout, but never slap on the face, yeah. And then you look where your tax money goes to, and then you start thinking about it like, oh, I don't know, is that really right? You know, is it fair? Like, why are we paying for something that we're not involved with, you know. But yeah, I don't want to speak politics on the stream. Be ready? Oh, I'm so ready. Might have to throw the brick here. How is it in Canada? What is like the average monthly income? All right, market. How are we gonna get our breakout here? Oh, it just touched it. It just touched it. Nope, it didn't close. Is it before or after taxes? All right, it's pretty even then, I would say. I mean, you make a little bit more. How are the living costs in general in Canada? Like here, everything is pretty expensive, especially since the war excuse me, since the war started in Ukraine and Russia. Like the gas prices are pretty high, oil, etc. So the gas station trips are more expensive. Yeah, but it was like a takeaway. I mean, we broke it, but we didn't close above, so can't take it. Yeah, for you guys, it's different. It's just so many stupid things. Like they shut down the nuclear power plants. You know, I get it. You know, it's less risk, but they shut it down, and then they also didn't want to buy Russian oil and Russian gas anymore. And then in winter, they realized, oh shit, we don't even have enough gas and oil. So now they have to buy nuclear power plant energy from like France and other countries. Like, well, we had our own, you know, we didn't need to shut it down. And then, of course, it gets more expensive. I don't know. 50K here, average? You're living a good life, huh? Come on, market. What are we doing? My pressure salary is 110. Yeah, I mean, it's good. You can live pretty comfortable with this. Come on. We're gonna break out, right? We're gonna do it. I am ready. Yeah, guys, tomorrow I have my medical appointment for the US for my interview. It's gonna take like 3 hours. They're gonna check me for everything. If I have cancer or any sort of illnesses that I could spread. Gonna be interesting to see. It's a little bit like you're signing up for the military. Like you have to undress and they're gonna check you and everything. I hope it won't take too long, so I will be back for the market open. This is never gonna break out. Uncle Mo is right, like always. You just gotta throw the brick. Hey, becoming an American. No, we're working on my visa because my fiance is from Florida. And we're doing the K1 visa. So I will get a visa and then we have 90 days to marry. Then if we marry, I mean, we're gonna marry pretty soon. Then I will get my green card and we can stay there together. So since November last year, we've always been together, but it's pretty stressful, you know, because we have certain amount of days I can stay in the US. She can only stay certain amount of days in like the Schengen area, like in Europe. So we had to be like a couple months in Florida, a couple months in Germany. Then some of her days had to renew first. We had to go to England because we both can be there as a guest. From there back to Florida, from there back to Germany. It's just a lot. Especially during a pregnancy because she's pregnant. So hasn't it that? Yeah, the waiting time is crazy, man. But we're in the last steps. Like we're hopefully done soon. Um, you're going long. I mean, you need 5 points with 2 contracts. I hope you got it there. Do you remember how long it took for your cousin to get to the US? And when was it? Like, was it recently or a couple of years ago? Oh, okay. Yeah. That's pretty different. Yeah, I had someone else telling me, oh, I would just went to the US as a tourist and they asked me at the border, oh, are you guys gonna marry? Like he was with a woman from the US as well. And they said, oh no, we're not gonna marry. And then 2 days later they married and then he still got his green card. But yeah, right now with the administration, I I wouldn't do that. I think I have to come the normal way, the legal way. Done. Okay, good job. Look, I'm gonna drop some confetti here in the chat for you. The first payout with prop firms. There we go. Now don't touch the account anymore. It's not gonna help you. If you had 1500 in profit, just do not touch it anymore. Just let it go. But good job. Shut it down. Shut it down. Make sure you go to videos to your customer profile and you have to upload like your ID or your passport. You have to do the verification. This market. Oh, you already upload everything? Okay, good. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, they updated at 2 a.m. German time. They update their dashboard. I think I read it in the support chat. They're going to send out the payout automatically, but maybe you have to request it. I'm not sure. But yeah, you will get your payout and then they will set you up a live account. I don't know how long it take for setting up live account. Good job. Proud of you. How much do you spend on prop firms? What do you think? Do you have like an estimate number before you get your first payout? All right, we're selling off. Oh my God. Here we go. 130, that's it. You sure? It was not more? Right, we're getting some volatility. No, I mean like in general, because you also traded Bullnox accounts, you had Bullnox, you had other Phidias accounts, right? Or is it just with Phidias? I mean, you're definitely up with prop firms. That's a good part. Now you can just use their money to build up the accounts. But that's good. That's good. It's like $250. Oh man, what a market. I don't know what to do. It's just chopping around. I mean, I still have like 30 minutes before I gotta go. I would really like one more setup. And we're down today on this account. All right. Let me get a glass of water real quick. Just give me a sec. That's enough Red Bull for me. All right, we're selling off, huh? I mean, are we gonna hop on this? Are we gonna hop on this? Ooh, all right, let's give it a shot. It's a pretty small candle still. Let's see if we can get a little scalp here. Maybe we let it run a little bit longer. At one point I will put it break even. We go a little bit lower. Still holding. Jesus, all right. That was a pretty good spike. Unfortunately, missed our target there. All right. We put it break even. Are we just gonna let it run? I don't know. Let's see. If we get a move here to the lows, it also just stop us out here break even. I'm gonna trail it whenever I can. All right, I'm just gonna lock in at least a little bit of profit. All right, there we go. Well, what did I make? $1.50? Huh. Well, I think I even lost money because of the commission. Well, we tried it. We tried it. Okay. It's 63. Okay, so we made $5. Not too bad. Not too bad. Well, good that I took my break even there, I guess. Oh, it was 61.58. Okay. All right, so $3. Well, $3 is $3, right? I'm gonna take it. How do you like Florida? Oh, I like it. I'm a big fan of the weather and the beaches. It's a different life. Here in Germany, it's always gray and dark and cold and rainy. I don't like it. Life is different. Life is slower. People are happier. I know. I like it more. It also fits me better with trading. I like to trade in the morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, and then hopefully be done by like 11, 12. Because here it's just in the middle of the day. It's hard to do something before it that takes longer, but it's also hard to do something afterwards, depending on how long I'm sitting here. Have you ever been in Florida? I'm tempted to take another short. We should wait. The hurricanes, yeah. Well, we're where we are. We're not getting hit by the hurricanes that hard. That's okay. But yeah, it's just part of it. Maybe we'll wait for a breakout. Actually, I don't know. What a market. But you've been in the US, right? Or have you never crossed the border? I still want to go to Canada at one day. Where do they speak French? Is it in like a Quebec or something? Is that where they speak French, or is that another area? Good that we took a break even. So it would have been a big stop. I mean, not too big, but definitely hurts. All right, I got like 25 minutes. I would like one more clean trade. That's all what I'm hoping for. Probably the moment I have to walk away. I have to get to work. We're gonna break out. And I'm gonna miss it. But yeah, we're making progress on the bull Nox account. That's the important part. Pretty boring day. I don't know what's going on. It's just we're waiting for something. I mean, Trump is gonna speak, but it's in 5 hours. I think once we break this level, we're gonna go higher, hopefully. Oh, should we take a short? Oh, I don't know. All right, let's try the short into the lows here. Maybe around here. If we go a little bit lower, I'm gonna put it break even and stop here. Okay, that's a good reaction. Only looking for 17 points. All right, we put a break even. Okay, move the stop a little bit, getting closer to the target. Let's just hope we're going lower. Yep, just missed us by a tick. Like always, the last tick. Come on, this is not good. Ugh. Like always, just one tick away. Doesn't want to do it. How much are we down? Okay, 48. We're gonna take another short. All right, we're gonna give it a shot here. Okay. Put the stop above the highs here. Might be the last trade if we get stopped. Oh, not looking too good. Target is all the way here at the lows, the 15-minute low. Well, not looking too good. Not looking too good. What's up, Joe? Good to see you. Yeah, if you're watching in the short stream, make sure you click on the link in the message I pinned there. So come over to the live stream with the full screen so you can see the chart better. Might get stopped here. But yeah, probably shouldn't trade here in this chop. All right, I still have 15 minutes. Get in how many? Yeah, the most money I make is also on the open. I always trade the open. But on this account, it's a little bit different because I can't trade it on NinjaTrader, so I have to use Quant Tower, and it's harder for me to trade the open there. But yeah, I mean, we're just chopping around. Excuse me. It's a fresh account. Yeah, we have 500 drawdown. It's a static account. So we really need to nail the first trades. Make sure cash. Yeah, I did that before. I mean, we just talked about it earlier. I think when I get the next payout, I will take some money put into my live account. It's just different, easier, real money, no rules, do whatever you want to do. Just a different life. Up like 5Ks in 2 days. Nice, nice. Yeah, what company are you trading with right now? If you're still with prop firms? Yeah, okay, looks like we're gonna get stopped. But yeah, if we get stopped, we're gonna wait maybe for a breakout on this level. Oh, okay. Right now you're trading your own money. I put in 1K. All right. Good job. Well, that's a good part. You can just take it out. It's your money. There's no minimum trading days. There's no consistency rule. Nothing. All right. Okay, we stopped there. On this account, we're down 140 so far. Still have a couple more minutes. Maybe we get one more setup. Yeah, it's different. Trade your own money. It's completely different. I mean, even if you just put in like 1,000, you can so easily trade at least 2 micros, or I don't know, even more. You can trade with more. But yeah, as soon as I can, I will at least have one personal account as well in the background. Can't do this prop rules bullshit. Yeah, the benefit of prop firms is you can have multiple accounts, so you can just cycle through basically, or you just copy trade it, and you know the good days add up, but also the negative. One minute and two. All right. I mean, that's pretty good. I mean, if it's your own money, even if you just make like 500 a day extra. I assume you have a real job. If you just make 500 or even 300 a day extra, it adds up. Yeah, and in the future you can always scale it. That's true. You can always scale it. But yeah, feel free to come over to the other chat, to the other stream, so you can see the whole screen. I know in portrait mode it's a bit difficult. About to go full-time trading, to be honest. So okay, yeah, you gotta watch out. It's a little bit different if you have to make money. We talked about this earlier. Like, if you have to make money and you have the pressure, it's gonna be a little bit different. You need some savings that you can at least get around for like a couple of months. It's all mental. That's true. That's true. That's why I'm saying if you have pressure that you have to make money because you don't have any other income and not high savings, then it's definitely going to put some pressure on you mentally. Right, I got like 10 minutes. Damn, what's the camera doing? Come on, focus. Why is it always blurry? How do I fix that? All right, there we go. Yeah, pretty boring today. Just chopping around. Had some good moves on the open, but then it just stopped. Oh, you need the pressure to perform? Oh, I hate the pressure. This is when I did the worst with trading. When I also wanted to do full time, I had 3 good months in a row. I had like my best month. Then I decided, okay, just gonna do my trading from now on, and I stopped seeing clients, etc. And I had to rely on my trading income, and at one point it was just too much pressure. Used to be a professional gamer. All right. What game did you play? What's your game? But yeah, everyone is different. Some people, they want the pressure. Other people, they can't stand the pressure. Everyone is different. Call of Duty. Oh, which one? Which one? Hopefully not one of the new ones. Because they're not the same anymore. Sometimes I still play the OG Modern Warfare 3, Modern Warfare 2. Oh, okay, you're talking about the new ones, right? Or you mean the OG MW2? The good old days with NoobTube, etc. Oh yeah. Yeah, I tried to play the new Call of Duties, but it's not the same. I don't know. I mean, Black Ops 2 was pretty good. Then the last one where they already started fucking it up was Advanced Warfare. And then I stopped playing Call of Duty for a long time. But the OG MW2, OG MW3, Black Ops 2, damn, the good old days. The good old days. Still really good. Yeah, I play here and there. It's just barely anyone plays. Unfortunately, the servers are pretty dead. I play on, what is it called, like Plutonium or something. When I have time. Helps you with trading. Okay. Yeah, I recently just got back into Battlefield, the Battlefield 4, the old one. Also pretty good. Amazing game. You're stuck in a short, Juna? Uh-oh. Hopefully not on the account where you get to pay out, right? It's not this one. Eval, okay. Is it the fresh one? Yeah, I think since they got involved with like skill-based matchmaking in Call of Duty, it went all downhill. That's when it started with Advanced Warfare. Oh, you have 700 drawdown. I mean, you got some drawdown to work with. I mean, we only have 360 left on this account. The next trades, we have to nail it. It has to work. All right, getting some volatility here. Market starts to move a little bit funky. We'll have a couple minutes. But you know, where was your entry? You're stuck on a short. Was your entry somewhere down here or where was it? $63. I mean, you pretty much break even. Yeah, pretty boring market today. I don't know, just chopping around for the last hour and a half. Oh, you 3 micros. Yeah, on the eval you can do that. I mean, I'm gonna tell you, the moment I walk away, we're gonna see some action. It's always the same. When I have to go and do my job, the market just waits for that. Nothing but choppy. You're pretty boring. Pretty boring. Tomorrow? Oh, what's tomorrow? Oh, it's a CPI tomorrow. Oh, whoa, whoa. And then on Thursday it's PPI. Well, I hope tomorrow goes good and the market goes higher and you can keep trailing your stop. Well, I mean, I gotta get ready for work now, so yeah. I think I'm gonna call it here. To be honest, I shouldn't have traded in this job. I mean, unfortunately, we got missed here by like a tick, but it is what it is. Can't change it. Anyways, the Bolnox account looks good. Getting closer to 2,600 in profit, so out of the drawdown threshold, and then we can actually start building the account and taking longer trades. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here, guys. If you're still trading, good luck, watch out, follow your rules, your strategy, and I will be back tomorrow again. Hopefully I can make it in time because of my medical appointment, but I'm pretty sure I will make it. So appreciate you all, and thanks for tuning in like always. It means a lot to me. See you all tomorrow. Have a good day. Peace. Stay safe. Have a good one. Peace, peace.